the more gratitude that you feel for your current life, the more that you will attract to you. And this is a practice that anybody can get into, no matter how negative or angry or consumed by your conditioning that you currently are every day. I'm an example. I used to be a very angry or resentful or trying to control type of person. And when I started to study spirituality and learning more about my conditioning and the conditioning of others, I realized that when you allow God's energy, you allow the divine to live within you and all around you, and just feel love for the sake of feeling it, being returned to your core body, returned to your natural state. When you embody just taking time in the morning to just practice gratitude, embodying feeling love for everything that you have, and associating something neurologically to everything that sucks, and all of the people that made us feel a certain way that is not positive, and that it didn't happen to you, that did you a favor. It got you to where you're at now. It got you on this channel. It got you to resonate with this content, because you're gonna start on a new direction with me. I've been on this trek for 2 years now. I'm almost at my 2-year mark of being completely sober. I realized I didn't need alcohol to mask what I didn't like about myself. I learned to dive deeper into things that made me uncomfortable. That was a breakthrough for me. And it showed overall growth in everything, the businesses, the social media, the YouTube that I'm doing. I stepped into a completely different character, remember? We are character building on the channel here. And the more that you allow the universe to send you energy, the divine, God, whatever is your thing, whatever you want to believe in, there is something greater out there. When we allow the divine to send us energy, it lives within us. And we have a gift. When we start to enter this type of gratitude and love, you will feel for life again. Any of these relationship problems that we talk about daily here on the channel, they will resolve themselves. Because you're no longer living in the line of time of someone who struggles in relationships. And sure, that's maybe a tough sentence for you to take and swallow. But there is another line of time for you that exists. If you've ever done any quantum studying, knowing about the quantum field, and this is not manifesting to manipulate for us to receive objects in our life in the form of wealth and relationships and a better life. This is a tuning into your body and going down to the core and stripping it and figuring out, why the fuck have I felt like this for so long? And what can I do to make my life more perfect? Because it will be perfect. Because you're the one who dictates that. It's not perfect because of what we receive from out there. Perfect is a feeling of loving your own life, feeling love and gratitude. Gratitude can be practiced before going to bed at night. And it raises your vibration, your state of consciousness, to someone who feels love naturally. And you will enter the world in public, in those relationships, the new people you meet, the opportunities, the potential relationship or dating this new person. There will no longer be attachments or dependency on what the result is. This person is not the make or break of who you are. This person is not going to make you be more attractive because they text you back, because they come up to you, give you eye contact, and make you feel like you're attractive. They may be playing into a story that's negative, And that's what's getting reflected back to you. And when you start to practice this gratitude meditation, this mind and body coherence, when I get into these flow states in the morning, like this one, different type of video, I'm embodying the love for my life in everything I have. And I have a lot. I do not live in lack. I'm not as rich as some other people that are in this field. And that's okay, because I am in the present moment. I'm embodying who I am, and I'm giving people the real me. I don't have to figure out the best video. I don't have to figure out how to manipulate YouTube or Instagram, TikTok. I show up as me. And that's where my best content got over. Is my sayings, my accent, being myself, giving you guys some of my history. Showing you guys that someone who is normal, we are all normal, even people who are elite, remember? We build elite characters on the channel. If you go back and watch my self-concept video, I talk about we are all elite already. Greatness lives within us. It's not because of others. We develop a courage to be ourselves, whether people like us or not. And sometimes when people are really feeling tension towards us, a real breakthrough for you could be to even lean even more into that tension, and not in a hateful way, but staying steady within your own frame, staying loving within your heart. You feeling love for yourself, regardless of someone trying to make you feel like you're not attractive, trying to make you feel like you're not worthy, trying to make you feel like you're not going to be successful. We've got 2 words for them. F off. No. I am me. 3 words. I am me. And there's only one me in existence. It goes for both of us. It goes for the community. And when you trust more in the universe, you live in gratitude. Gratitude puts you into a state of receivership. And the more that you work with your body, work with spirituality, work with meditating daily, it doesn't need to be 50 minutes. You don't need to be sitting there for an hour. 10 minutes of changing your energy when you wake up in the morning. Instead of going and grabbing the cell phone to see if she or he texted me back. See how many Facebook or Instagram notifications I have. Checking my emails. That can all wait. Wake up, meditate, change your energy, elevate it, and embody this flow state of creative energy of not needing to cater to other people. And the more things you're working on, I guarantee it, you're going to start to get signs from the quantum, from the universe, from the line of time you are choosing to step into. Because if you stay stuck living the way you are right now, you're going to keep attracting and feeling, thinking and being the same way you are right now. And if that's unhappy in a lot of different departments of your life, you're just going to continue to feel those things: lack, unhappiness, unworthiness, so on and so forth. Embodying gratitude puts a stop, for the most part, to all those things. And when they do come back, we have the solution of I can handle it. I can handle it now. Any of it. And let it flow through the body and be gone. Not stuck in your head analyzing it all day. That's something you do to yourself. I've done the same thing. I did it for years. It comes from my past, my upbringing, what I went through in high school. It created that character. But I leveled up. I had to level up because I care too much about the community here and what we're building. And I want to teach others that you're not stuck feeling this way for the rest of your life. We are on the path to greatness. We are elite human beings. And anything that we put our minds on, we can attract to us. Simply by living with gratitude and practicing it daily, at night before bed and in the morning, and embodying the flow state a few times throughout the day. My favorite time to do it is out here in the morning after I've had a cup of coffee before I go to the gym. Just embodying this flow state. That's where I got the idea to just make this random video returning from vacation. So I thank you for watching this one. We'll see you on the next video.